Our changes are coming to Pirate Line Family Camping Resort, one of Myrtle Beach's finest camping destinations. That's right, this small camping resort is undergoing some big changes. Stay tuned as we take you on a golf cart tour for the summer of 2022. What's happening, everybody? We're back in Pirate Land Family Camping Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified of new things around Myrtle Beach. Now that we've dispensed with the formalities, let's take that golf cart cruise around the park and give you a quick tour for the summer and show some of the new changes. The first thing we'll do after passing the office is take a right off the main road and travel toward the south end. We would normally take you straight, which would put you up there by the pools, arcade, and grocery store, but not this time. This time, we wanted to focus on what was new to the park at the beginning of the video versus just a ride around. As you can see traveling on this side of the park, you'll pass permanent sites lined on both sides of the road. Always remember to obey the speed limits around here. There are lots of kids on bikes that dart out in front of you, especially in the summer. If you're unfamiliar with this area, it's the part that runs between the hill and the right side of the indoor pool. This is also one of the loop roads that follows the same path taken by the golf carts during their 4th of July parade. If you get a chance, go check out that video. Or even book a week in Pirate Land during the 4th of July to watch it firsthand. And right up here at the clearing are the new sites. But let's take a look back to last year for a second. So here's a clip from last year coming off one of the side roads. This was probably around October or so. And here's a clip from last summer. You remember the villas that were here? Well, Pirate Land decided to remove all 15 villas and replace the units with pull-through RV camper lots. So each week, as people rode the park, one by one, they were being removed. Here's the progression over the last 6 to 12 months. These were the 2-bedroom, 1 to 2 bath units that were lined up on the south end right before you get to the chapel. Once all 15 villas were removed, they leveled the ground and started on something new. First, they piped, plumbed, and then poured the long concrete pull-through slabs. I think I counted 7 strips total. After which, they started construction on the sheds and added picnic tables. Lastly, they sodded, added crush and run, asphalt, and covered the sheds. These pull-through spots are called buddy sites. They're designed to allow RV campers to park end to end, with 2 sets of widely spaced utilities on one side. And they can share one shelter in between their awnings. Now the RVs can park nose to tail and their awnings will be on the same side. Let's see what else is new. Oh yeah, they are clearing this section between Lakewood and Pirate Land. We've heard several stories on this, but we're not really sure what the actual truth is. Some say Pirate Land purchased it from Lakewood, but we're not sure. If you know, just let us know in the comments below. They've got a new chapel sign, and it looks like they've done a little updating to the pews as well. But for now, let's cruise around this oceanfront family camping resort and maybe even stop off at Skeleton Island to see the pedal boats.
would call this hit or miss.
I know there's been a lot of buzz concerning the park lately, and when we have more information, we'll bring it to you. But until then, keep beaching.